270 with 5 had the reported.
Yeah. So 40 degrees off from the left. Manual flight.
Yeah. Even with 0.2 degrees more descent.
Yeah.
It's another picture.
Yeah, exactly.
For information, Echo is the first on this side.
Understood. So, engine anti-ice off, weather radar off.
Soft.
Please check.
500. Checked. Runway straight ahead.
Inside, continue.
785, report your stand number.
102.
400. 300. 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Checked.
Germany Air Force 569, make 180 at the intersection. Bravo, continue taxi straight ahead, vacate and make 180 at the intersection of second taxiway Bravo.
Copy it. Taxi down runway and 180 intersection Bravo and confirm beginning by Echo.
Confirm, sir, you will have to make full backtrack and vacate via taxiway Echo.
That is copied. 569.
If I had known earlier, I wouldn't have braked so much.
Right, landing 1410.
Yeah, 1410 for touchdown. Yeah, we have touchdown in Tiflis, and we are obliged to taxi down the whole runway, make a 180 here on the runway, and taxi back to Echo, which is at the beginning of the runway. So we will do as demanded.
Yes.
Oh, after landing items, sleds up.
Sleds up.